Hi everyone, it's Nicole again from Sydney English Teacher, and thanks for joining me for tongue twister time. Today we're going to have a look at this tongue twister. Have you seen it before? Tom threw Tim 3 thumbtacks. Looks relatively easy, but believe me when you say it quickly, the t and the th sound is quite hard. Let's try. See, I've got it wrong at the beginning already. Tom threw Tim 3 thumbtacks. 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 Your turn. Well done. Let's do it together. Tom threw Tim 3 thumbtacks. Tom threw Tom threw Tim 3 thumbtacks. Tom threw Tim 3 thumbtacks. Tom threw Tim 3 thumbtacks. Oh, that's so hard. Okay, I'd like you to practice that on your own. Slowly, and then moving faster and faster and faster and faster so that it's as fast as you can do it without changing those sounds. Have lots of fun. And I look forward to hearing your beautiful pronunciation of this tongue twister. Come back again really soon for another tongue twister. Tongue twister time happens every week. Enjoy. Bye.